In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a data table in Salesforce ScreenFlow. This is a powerful tool that Salesforce users can utilize to automate processes and ensure that data is captured efficiently. First, let's begin on the Salesforce homepage. If you're not there yet, go ahead and log in and navigate to the homepage where you'll find everything begins. Once you're comfortably settled on the homepage, locate the Quick Settings section in the corner. By clicking on Quick Settings, a set of new options will become available to you, offering further customization and control over your Salesforce environment. Next, look for the Open Advanced Setup option, which will allow you to dig even deeper into Salesforce's capabilities. Clicking this option will bring you to a place where you can access more complex functionalities. In the search bar, type in Flows. This is where we'll be venturing into the territory of automated processes in Salesforce. After typing it in, you'll see the option for Flows pop up in the menu. Click on Flows to enter the magical world of automation, where we'll be creating your data table. Once inside, your next step is to click on New Flow. This is your blank canvas, and you'll soon fill it with incredible functionality. Among the flow types, select Screen Flow. This particular flow will facilitate the creation of interactive screens for data input. When you have your screen flow ready, look for the Add button in the Builder interface. It's time to choose an element from the palette of building blocks. Each element represents an action or a piece of logic you can incorporate into your flow. Come back to your workspace and click Add once more, selecting another element. This step is about layering your flow with the necessary elements it needs to perform efficiently. After you've made your selections, remember to hit Save. Saving your progress frequently is essential to avoid losing any updates. With your flow structure laid out, it's time to label it appropriately. In the input field provided, type in a meaningful flow label. This label is the identifier that explains the purpose of the flow at a glance. Next, ensure you enter the flow API name. This is a crucial step since the API name serves as a unique identifier within Salesforce that allows for seamless integration and operation. Lastly, make sure to click Save again. This final save ensures all your hard work is safely stored. And there you have it! You've successfully created a data table in Salesforce ScreenFlow. Remember to test it out and make sure it functions as expected. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your workflow in Salesforce.